We ask forgiveness for our sins, Lord. Thank you. Thank you for keeping us safe. This we ask in Jesus' name. Amen. Let's go. So we ended with what theorem? Anyone? We ended with what theorem? We don't have any assignment, right? Okay, sige. I think we ended with chords, no? Two two chords are equidistant to the center if um, the arc. I do not know. Okay, sige, let's have it again. Okay, nakashare na ba ako? Ayan. Okay, sige. Before that theorem where we ended, okay, I know that you recall about this, right? Why? Because simply, no, we know that the parts of the circle, especially if there are lines there inside, then we can name those, right? And then this one, how did we actually answer this again? Anyone? Paano natin nakuha yung x? Algebra to, right? So we actually tallied, not that tallied, but equated 180 degrees is equal to 2x plus x plus 30 degrees, no? Why? Because half of this one is arc, no? Here. Or you wanted a central angle here. Dito, central angle siya, no? Is equal to 180. Why? Because of this diameter, no? So therefore, this is 70. Ito pala ay 110, no? Okay, this angle here. Okay, this is 110, 70. But these ones were added is equal to 180. And then 50 is the x value that we got, no? Common sense, it's algebra. Simple algebra, huh? Okay, sige, let's go. Mamadali tayo, ha? Okay, please read this, Ralph Robles. Ito na ba yun? Wait lang po. Yeah, we're done with this one, no? Okay, chords are congruent. Yes, chords are congruent. We say that those chords are equidistant from the center. Did you get that? So, ibig sabihin, chords dapat ay congruent, measurement, their length. Their length is actually congruent to each other. They measure the same. Then we say, no, that those chords are equidistant from the center. And then, as I was saying, last meeting, if there is a short or yes, no, short or long, no, shorter or longer chord, then this theorem applies to it. Ralph, sige, pakibasa na po. Wala ba si Ralph? Nag-gaming. Sige. Jared, please read. At paano tayo makakabasa niyan? Puro bingo lahat ang tinatawagan ko. Ralph, Jared, sino pa? Bibinggo tayo dyan. Friends.
So, sir,
Okay, go.
if the lengths of two chords in a circle are not equal, then the shorter chord has greater distance from the center.
Okay. So in 4.4, we know, no? That two chords are equal, and then we say those two chords are equidistant. But now for 4.5, it's just the next after 4.4, we see two chords, no? These are the two chords. Okay? Dito po ay dalawang chords. A, B, okay, and then C, D. The lengths of the two chords in the circle are not equal if the lengths, huh? Okay, so AB, segment AB, and segment CD are the chords. If they're not equal, then the shorter chord has greater distance. Obviously, no? Okay, it's how small it is, it will be as long, sorry, as far, no? The farthest, it will be from the center. And the shorter chord has greater distance from the center. Tama? Okay. Kung sino yung mas malapit doon sa center, it's almost like a diameter. Yan, that is tawag na yun, mas shorter ang distance. Kuha. Okay, so greater. Ito ang chord na ito, mas greater in distance. This one is longer. So it is, no? Near the center. Okay, let's go. Dali lang yun, no? Okay, if two chords in a circle are not equidistant from the center, then the shorter has greater distance from the center. Okay, parang pareho lang, no? Okay, if two chords are hindi sila equidistant, then the shorter chord has greater distance from the center. Parang umulit lang. Okay, sige. 4.7. The measure of an ayan, may bago ng angle, no? We know what is central angle is, no? Again, we know what central angle is. A central angle ay a vertex, no? Nasa center. Okay, pick up natin mamaya yan. Okay, let's go now here. The measure of an inscribed angle of a circle is half the measure of its intersected arc. Ulitin natin, no? The measure of an inscribed angle of a circle is half the measure of its intersected arc. Tandaan niyo yan, no? 4.7. Okay. So, ibig sabihin yan, saan po dyan ang inscribed angle, sir? Okay. My inscribed angle follow this. Okay. A, B, C. So, you just write angle A, B, C. That is my inscribed angle, no? Okay. Compared to, okay, what is central angle, sir? It would be B, M, A. Just write the angle, and then B, M, A. Okay? So, pero the correct letter should be A, M, B, huh? Okay, don't be misled, no? Sometimes we are confused to actually uh read it having the first letter that is incorrect, no? But it must be A, M, B rather than B, M, A, no? When you are to choose between uh the two, which one is the right name? So it's AMB rather, no? And then I am seeing another central angle. Anyone? Open your mic. Bilisan natin, ha? Ayoko yung mga walang sumasagot. Dahil para kayong hindi grade 10. Open your mic. I said A, B, C is inscribed angle. And then angle AMB is your central angle. I'm looking for another angle. Central angle rather.
Sir, AMC po, angle AMC.
Okay, who's talking? Hold on. Is it Alia?
Aliyah po.
Okay, very good. So it is but AMC. Do not choose the CMA, no? But if you see the erroneous writings of the editors here, so bahala na sila, no? Basta sa akin, gusto ko mauna yung letter A, then C, no? Could be CMA also, no? But, of course, A is first alphabet, no? Then letter C, AMC. Very good. That's central angle, AMC and AMB. Inscribed is ABM. Then we apply this, no? Half the measure. Oh, see, you see this one, no? Which arc is being inscribed, no? Or being intercepted by our ABC? Anong arc? Open your mic. Okay, we're talking about the arc. Dapat alam niyo yun na i-intercept niya, no? What is the arc? Name it. Being intercepted by inscribed angle ABC. Anyone?
Sir,
Arteya. Okay, go.
Arc AC po.
Okay, Ozzy is answering arc AC. Very good. See, this is arc AC. And then this theorem is saying if this, for instance, is a 40 degrees arc, your minor arc AC is the one being intercepted by inscribed. If this is 40, then this inscribed angle ABC is 20. Did you get that? Okay. So, ang measure nitong angle ABC as inscribed angle is 20. Compared to the intercepted arc, it will be times just 2 of it, 20 times 2, it will be 40. Did you get it? So again, inscribed angle ABC measures 20 degrees, and then its intercepted arc will be just a times 2 of it, it's 40, no? 20 times 2, it's 40. So it's a vice versa. Whatever is given, no? If arc is 40, then what is inscribed? It's 20. It's just the vice versa. Did you get that? Is it clear? Thumbs up kayo dyan sa video nyo. Makita ko kayo. Magkakaintindihan. Okay. Whatever would the case be, whichever is the first that is given, that is the relationship between the arc being intercepted and the inscribed angle. Okay, let's go to 4.7.1. No? 4.7.1. A corollary means to say it is still 0.7. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, Justin, you read.
Any angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle.
Okay, so let's analyze this, no? Inscribed, there must be an angle inscribed, no? Any angle inscribed. Okay, so it means to say there is a semicircle, and within it is is an inscribed angle. Okay, so again, you read the statement. Any angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle, no? So we do have this semicircle here, no? How do we actually write a semicircle again? ACB, no? It must be 3 letters. Don't forget that. ACB. Okay, this one is correct, not BCA, no? Angle ACB is your parang mali. Okay. Okay, semicircle AB. Wait lang. Minsan nalilito po ako sa semicircle, no? Okay, what was our lesson again about semicircle? Sandali lang po. Minsan nalilito talaga ako, no? Hindi ako nagsusulat eh. Go by the book. Hold on. Okay, just highlight this one, no? And then you just correct Sir Romel if we forgot forgets again. I'll be forgetting again. Okay. Hindi kasi siya consistent, no? Kaya minsan nalilito ako. Okay? You see, no, how being consistent I am and this book is not, no? And it's worrying me, no? Para tayong ginagawang ewan nitong libro na to. See, see this one, no? EDG is a semicircle of circle F. So in my mind, I should be writing always again and again that a semicircle should be written with an arc, no? It's a semicircle, it's an arc. EDG here, no? Okay, EDG. Okay? But that is exactly 180, no? Because less than 180 is a minor arc already, and it should be written with two letters only. Did you get that? Okay. So aside from the semicircle with three letters and arc on top of it, the major circle should have also three letters on arc, ha? Hindi po siya angle, ha? It's arc on top. Letters. Okay. So this one, a semicircle EDG is there, no? Okay. And then BC, here is the minor arc. And then the major arc is BDC, no? BDD, DC. So the similarity should be when you write semicircle, it should be three letters EDG. And then the major circle, circle to rin. Semicircle is EDG, and then BDG as a major arc is three letters, huh? BDC. Okay? And then minor arc, two letters only. Okay? These are the three. Keep that in mind, huh? Keep that in mind also. But this textbook talaga really is, I do not know, no? They seem to confuse us. Nai-stress ako sa kanila. Okay. So when we analyze 4.71, actually, okay, this one is a semicircle. Okay? It says there's semicircle AB. It should not be written as that, no? There is no consistency in this book. It should be ACB, no? ACB. Okay. Bakit niya siguro sinulat yan na semicircle AB? Because this one, angle ACB is also correct, no? Okay. But should I not write it as ACB also with an arc on top of it? I should, no? Hindi ko maintindihan itong mga editor na to. Naintindihan nyo? Ang sinasabi ko? Okay. Dapat, yung semicircle niya ay ACB. Pero nakasulat sa taas ay arc, no? Semicircle arc, ACB. Okay, there is but difference of that when you say angle ACB because angle is this one, no? Angle ACB. Nakuha? Did you get that? Tingnan natin kung sino yung mga nagta-thumbs up. Do you follow that? Yung sinasabi ni Sir. Okay? Pag ako naging editor talaga ng libro na yan, wala. Tsugi. Okay, I will not accept this, no? There is no consistency. Hindi natin siya maintindihan. Okay, let's go. So there is something wrong in the semicircle, no? Okay, intercepts, it should be written ACB with arc on top of those letters ACB. This one, no? So by the way, ACB as your inscribed angle, this one, no? Angle ACB really intercepts what? Okay. Hindi, mali. Okay? Hindi niya ni-intercept yan. Pero ito kasi ang ini-intercept niya. Yun lang, no? Hindi siya, okay, iko-correct ko sarili ko, no? It should be opening its mouth, no? Okay, this is inscribed angle, ACB. Okay, but when it opens its mouth, like a Pac-Man, no? It must be this one, no? But this one, AB, a semicircle, is still incorrect, no? There must be a dot there somewhere, and it must be a semicircle. Did you get that? Okay. A dot and a letter. Should be what? A, B, C. it must be a D, no? Semicircle ADB. Okay. So the correction for this one, semicircle ADB must be, no? Okay. So mali si sir, no? Should correct it, no? Because when I see, no? In my mind, my concept will be I should have the inscribed angle first. Okay. Maybe for you at first, because that was my thinking first, no? This is my this is my intercepted arc. No, this is not my intercepted arc, no? Okay, it's the opposite. This must be your intercepted arc, no? So for this one, tama siya. Semicircle AB. But there is no consistency. There must be a letter there, a letter that is D, and a dot there, no? Dot ADB. Okay, so it's ADBR, this one, no? Okay, so tama naman ito, inscribed angle. Thus, ACB is a right angle. Okay, what can you say about your inscribed or ito, angle inscribed, no? Now, inscribed now is being used, no? Because this one is your semicircle. Ito, pwede rin yan, no? Okay. So, yung ito, intercept, ito yan, no? Being intercept. Again, baka ma-confuse kayo. Ako rin nahilo. Okay, this one pertain to this inscribed and this arc, no? And it's half the measure of its intercepted arc. But for this case, we do not involve this one, no? We do not involve the intercepted. Okay. Parang nahilo din ako. Although it intercepts this one, but this statement now, you see, nakakahilo, no? Any angle inscribed, ito, angle inscribed in a semicircle ACB, dapat ito siya, no? Semicircle ACB is a right angle. Okay? That right angle is an inscribed angle. Did you get that? Okay, so mahilo na naman tayo. So forget about the intercept there. There is no intercept, though if this intercepts this one, this arc here, semicircle here, but you see the statement, no? Any angle inscribed, this angle, no? Inscribed, ibig sabihin nasa loob, no? Nasa loob ng arc na yan. A semicircle arc is a right angle. Okay? So malinaw na ulit, no? You see? If you try to actually analyze them, magkakahalo-halo na ng theorem, no? Okay. So that's the best explanation for that one, no? There is a semicircle and inscribed on it is an angle, a right angle, and also it can also be called inscribed angle, but the one that it's intercepting is this arc. Did you get that? Nakuha? Thumbs up. Okay, sige. Baka kasi, ano yun, nahilo ako. Sumakit ang bangs ko. Nalaglag ang aking mga hair. Okay. So that angle now, ACB, having this semicircle, is a right angle. Okay, read this one. Sinong magbabasa nito? Sige, Micaela? Micaela, Daniela. Daniel.
Corollary 4.7.2. Two inscribed angles in a circle with the same intercepted arcs are congruent.
Okay, or congruent. Please open your mind, huh? Okay, we're studying theorems here. If you do not know these theorems, then you cannot answer any skill builder, no? Okay, and quiz, long quiz on Wednesday. Okay, let's have this one, no? Two inscribed angles in a circle with the same intercepted arcs are congruent. Okay, bakit kaya, no? Okay, so 4.7.1 is related actually to 4.7.2. Why? There is but two inscribed angles, no? Sorry, not 4.7.1, no? Because this one is a semicircle, there is an inscribed angle, and that is a right angle. Okay, this one pala, 4.71 is still, no? 4.7.2 is related to this one again, no? Let's go. Twice of inscribed angle is seen there. Okay, let's identify them. Okay, these two. They are congruent. Why? Because let's check, huh? Okay, this is the angle congruent to this angle, no? Okay. When you say angle, it must be shortcut na lang yan, no? You see, it's the vertex of that inscribed angle. But in truth, the name of that angle is CAD, no? It pertains to angle A. Again, the inscribed angle, this one, no? It could be written as such also, no? Kuha? Okay. There is no fault in here, no? Okay. You can write it as angle CAD or angle A. And then the other one, it's angle B, no? And then you see the chords of that, no? That vertex. CBD, no? That is angle B. Okay. What can you say about those, no? Angle A and angle B? Okay. What are those angles? They are inscribed angles. Tama? Do we agree? Thumbs up. Okay. Thumbs up, no? But do you notice that they are actually intercepting one arc? Yes. Okay. What is that arc? Anyone? Open your mic. Okay. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Okay. Grabe ang internet natin, no? Ang binabayad ko sa internet ko is 1,899, no? 1,009. Okay. Lahat ng sahod ko napunta na doon sa aking internet. And yet may naririnig ako kung anong something, no? Robot. Okay, let's go. These are the inscribed angles. What arc are they intercepting? Okay, open your mic,
Sir,
please. Yes.
arc CD po.
Okay, Yuka. Very good. It's arc CD, no? Okay, Ijima. I'm taking note of those reciting, huh? Okay. Why are they congruent? Because of 4.7, no? Okay, because what if this is CD as a measure and it's again a 40, no? So if this is 40, then the measurement of this inscribed angle is 20, and this one also is a 20. So therefore, you check this angle, no? Okay, it must be a 20 congruent to this 20. Why? Because they are intercepting an arc, and it's a common arc CD, a minor arc CD. It is 40. See, this one is an arc. Half of it is the measure of your inscribed angles A and B. Did you get that? Nagmadali ba ako doon? Okay. Did you get that? Okay, it's the same, huh? That's why they are congruent. Okay, let's go now. How about CD, no? C and D, angle C and D. The same, no? Okay, you must. Pag hindi kayo marunong sa angles, huwag na kayo mag-engineer, no? Medyo mahina kayo. Okay, C. Where is C, no? It is an inscribed angle. D, inscribed angle, no? If you want to name it long, it's ACB, and then the D, it's ADB, no? Again, shortcut is angle C, it's ACB, D, it's angle ADB. Okay, are they congruent? Yes, the same reason because they are intercepting one arc. That is arc, major arc, AB. Okay, if there is a measure of that, their measurement should be half of that arc. Okay? Naintindihan. Pag hindi naintindihan, gonggong, ha? Sige. Ang ganda kong magpaliwanag. Okay, sige. Let's have this one, tab 13. Who could answer fast? May points sa akin. Okay. Photo and then send to the messenger. Refer to figure 4.15. Okay. There is but segment AK. I think that is the radius. Perpendicular to EK, no? This one. A radius again. Find the following. Measure of angle AKB, this one. And then the measure of arc or minor arc AD, no? This one. And then the measure of arc or a minor arc again, a minor arc AB. Okay? And then lastly, the measure of the arc BC. This one. Okay, this is just a minor arc. Given this one at 35 degrees. No given, but 35 degrees, that is arc, a minor arc DC. Go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ako rin magsasolve. Don't write any more the theorems, no? Okay. But I'm afraid now, no, you cannot answer that because those theorems that we discussed, it's not in here. You can have the measure, you can have it in degrees, sige. Put it there. Done. Okay, so I'll give you, ako done na ako. Send it to our GC na, sorry, PM. PM it to me so I can give you points. Okay, while waiting for the others, we can then answer this one now. Okay. This is your textbook, huh? Kindly locate it. This one is in your textbook, Skill Builder, figure 4.15. I do not know what page that is. And then the second skill builder, while the slow ones are still answering. Okay, this one. Go. Sorry. Okay, anyway, they're just minor arcs, no? Minor arcs can be x, y, z, y, z, and then x, y, z, x, y, and then the other one, x, z. Again, minor arcs will be x, y. The other one is y, z, and then the other one last, it's x, z. Dapat may arcs taas ha pag minor arc. Don't forget to put the arc on top. Silence yourself. And then for your inscribe, you just write the letters angle X, angle Z, angle Y. But these are givens, right? Okay. So amongst three minor arcs, one is given. Amongst three inscribed angles, this one, and this one, no? X, Y, Z, one is given, 70. So you just pair it, no? Making sense, no? Analogy. Okay, I'm done. Oh, I didn't look for the teacher's guide, huh? Kasi I want to actually exercise my brain. Pumupurol, no? Puro titingin ka na lang sa key answers. Okay, there is much complicated in here, no? Merong mas complicated pa dyan. Okay, so let's answer it, no? Sige. Yung iba, medyo nag-gaming na yata sila. Okay, anong sagot? Measure AKB. Hold on, no? Okay, yung iba dyan, wag nang mag-send, ha? Hindi nakakaintindi. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay, let's go. Okay. The one who sent, only Ozzy, Samuel, Anna Faith, and Yuka. Okay, sige, let's have this one. Magsulat po kayo dyan, ha? Okay, sulatan niyo yung skill builder niyo, textbook. Okay, so we do have AK perpendicular to EK, no? What is the measure of AKE? Anyone? Wala dyan, AKE. It is but 90 degrees, right? Obviously, because the word perpendicular. So this AKE is 90 degrees. I'm just adding it. What is the measure of AKB? AKB. And why? No? Explain it. Okay. So we have sum. What is the measurement of AKB? Okay, very good. It's 35 degrees. You don't have mic. Okay, because we've actually studied the theorem, no? Okay, that there are two congruent arcs there, no? If they have these ones, no? This radii. Okay, the radii is this one, and you see also that this one is a central angle, no? Okay, if this central angle actually intercepts this arc, and this one too is connected, it's just connected, no? Okay, so this is the radius also, those radii, a central angle again. What do you notice, no? The central angle are the same. There is a theorem saying, no? If these are equal, then the congruent, sorry, the arcs are equal, no? Sorry, not arc, but AKB is a central angle. Sorry, AKB is a central angle. Because of the vertical angles also, no? Tama ba si Sir? Vertical angles. Why? Again, CKD, though it is a central angle, and AKB, although it's a central angle also, but the two central angle it seems to be they're vertical angles also, no? They're equal, and then their intercepted arc is congruent also, no? Okay, but AKB measure is 35. So going from here, makinig. This is the arc, 35. When you want to relate that here, this is the central angle, CKB, it's 35 also, no? Okay, just do the opposite. You're doing the vertical angle, finding for the vertical, it is 35 also because it's AKB, a vertical angle to this CKD, no? Again, minor arc 35, and then that is intercepted by this central angle, CKD, that is 35. And then this one, jumping into this one, it is 35 also, no? That is a central angle, AKD. Okay. Next, Yuka, measure of minor arc AD. Stop sending na po, ha? Okay. So the ones I'm giving points will be up to you, Ijima also. Only, Yuka only. Okay, let's go. Measure of minor arc AD. Make it fast. Yuka.
Sir, 35, 55.
Very good. So 55, right? Okay. This is arc ED, no? This is 90 minus the 35, it's just 55. What about measure of arc AB? Ozzy, arc AB is here. So it is still related to this one, right? Ozzy?
35 po.
Okay, very good. So arc, central angle that makes it vertical angles there. And then the arc again there in the opposite side. Okay, this is AB congruent to DC. That is why it's 35. Last, measurement of angle DC. Ano, Faith? Bilisan natin at sasagutin pa natin yung sa kabila. BC.
Okay, 145 po.
Okay, that's 145 or 155? Okay,
Sorry,
180
155 po.
minus 35.
145.
Okay, 145. So 180. This is a semicircle, no? Okay, so semicircle 180. Just deduct this one arc, 35 here, and then you get this angle BC. So it's 180 minus 35, it will be 145. Sorry. Okay, na gaya ako sa 90 minus 35. Okay, very good. So answers are 35, 55, 35, and then the last one is 145. Okay, this one, answers should be, try to find out, no? Okay. This one is a 70, no? That is angle X, it's here. So therefore, its partner would be, that is inscribed angle, it will be YZ, no? Okay, so YZ. So this arc YZ will be 140 because this is 70 angle, this one, a measurement of angle X is 70, this one, mismo, no? And inscribed angle times 2 of it will be 140 YZ, no? Ay, hindi ko gagawing assignment to. Okay, ito ay included sa lesson, long quiz sa Wednesday. Again, this is given measure of angle X times 2 of that will be 140. It will be for the arc YZ, no? Again, arc YZ. Pagsulat kayo ng Y, Z, tapos may arc sa taas. Okay? Analogy lang yan, no? Okay, if this is 70, this is 140. Next, you go to the given. Okay, this one, no? This one is XZ, this one. If that is 150 XZ, okay, what is that inscribed angle intercepting it? It must be inscribed angle Y. Okay, so if your measure is 150 for XZ, this one, so therefore this inscribed is what? Anyone? Angle Y. What is the measure of angle Y? If this is the inscribed part of that Y, no? This one. Anyone?
Sir,
Hmm,
75 po.
very good. Sino yon?
Ana Faith po.
Okay. So your angle Y is 75, no? Just divide 150 by 2 because there is that theorem, no? Saying it's, sorry, that's theorem 4.7. I can still memorize, no? Half of it, no? Okay. The arc intersected is the measure of the arc intersected is half. Okay? And it is equivalent to this inscribed. Very good. Now, the challenge will be, what is the left one? This one, no? Okay, what is this arc? Anyone? What is this arc? If there is 150 already and 140, make it fast. Because we know what this is one, no? Okay, it is that
Sir.
140.
Sir,
And then, yes,
it's 150 po.
no, this one now, no? Okay, we already have this. From here, it is 150, no? Sorry, it's 140 rather, no? And then we do have this one. It's 150. This one, XC. What do we have as a measure for this one? X, Y. Anyone?
140 po.
No. What is the measure of arc XY? It will be 360 minus 150. Sorry, this is 150. And then minus 140. What's the total? 360 minus 140 minus 150. What is this? 360 minus 150 minus 140 would be 70, no? This is 70. And so therefore, the last inscribe that we're seeing or looking for is 35. Okay, nakuha? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, ito po ay 140. Ito po, no? Why? Coming from this one, no? Times 2. This is 70. This is 140. But this one is given is 150, right? Okay, 150 yan. What do you do for XY? And you deduct these two. 150 plus 140 is 290. 360 minus 290 will become 70. This one is 70. If this arc is 70, the XY, then therefore the Z is 35. That's it for today. Prepare for long quiz. Okay, bye-bye.